Yep. Hey, she won't do that. Giddy up, Horty, go to town. Giddy up, Horty. Ha ha ha. Ha ha Giddy up, Horty, go to town. Giddy up, Horty. Ha ha ha. They tickle, 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 tickle. I love it. Say, talk to mama. Say, yeah. Yeah. I love it. I know, it's crazy. You just talk to mama all the time. You like talking to mama? Is that right? Yeah, you just love talking. I just love talking. I love talking. Giddy up, Horty, go to town. Giddy up, Horty. Ha ha ha. Talk to me. Ha ha.
Good.
Come. Yeah, what are we going to do about that? Tell me. Oh, yeah? You know it's past your bedtime, right? Huh? Nope. No comment? You talk to me? Ha, ha, ha. Talk to me. You better talk to mommy. Talk. Give mom a kiss. Mwah. Say ha 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 ha. Say bye. Look at him and say bye-bye. Look over here.
Toot toot. Hi toot.
She don't want to not look at mama. I love looking at my mama.
Hi toot.
Look at me. Oh, yeah? Are you ready to go now? Ooh. Are you ready to take a bath and go night-night? Yeah? You're just full of it tonight.
Say, I had a power nap.
I love you. Okay, look at Nana and talk to Nana.
Hey, dear Toot Toot. What you doing? You gonna talk to Nana like you talk to Mama? Yeah.
Tell her hi.
Yeah. And what are you gonna tell me about, huh? Do I need to call the president? Huh? No? What are you gonna tell Nana? Huh? What you gonna tell Nana?
I think that light might be...
You not like that lion? You not like the lion?
that light's too bright.
Is that light too bright for you? Hey, girly.
She's looking straight in. I can't even look straight
Hey,
into it.
girly. Hey, get it right there, get it right there, get it right there. Ready? And do the patty cake with her. Get her to look at you and do it like I do.
How you do, Mama?
What? Real fast.
Patty cake, baker man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Okay, we're done. I'm bored.
All right. Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, darling. Nana loves
Did you hear
you.
her wrist pop?
Yes.
Bye-bye.
No.
Mwah, mwah. All right.